It's a Stitch Fix day. I'm excited to share this one with you guys. I think there's going to be some fall transition pieces in here. I hope there's some fall transition pieces in here. Let's find out and get into this. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Nancy Ann, and today I'm thinking I have a fall stitch fix here. Now, if you saw my last one, there was an oddly placed jumpsuit that looked kind of summery to me in there. I think this one might go a little bit better. Stitch Fix does send you a preview of items. I think it's about 10, and you can select up to 5 to be sent to you in your box. I only selected one. It was a pair of shoes that was on my wish list. If you go onto Freestyle and you favorite things and the stylist can send them to you, they have the option of choosing those to go for you to try them on at home. I'm not convinced that this items that are available to the stylist to choose are the same ones that are available in the warehouse for you to purchase through Freestyle. I will have all of the cliff notes for how Stitch Fix works down below. Do want you to know if you use my link to try your very first fix, you can get $25 credited towards that. And I also get a credit. And as always, thank you very, very much. I'm always so grateful when people use my links. It helps me out tremendously and helps me keep the channel going. I know everybody says that, but everybody means it, because this can get expensive and it really helps curb the cost of that. Alrighty, get a prepaid mailer. Everything is shipped to and from you free of charge, and your $20 styling fee does apply back towards anything you keep. You have 3 days to try and decide what you would like to keep or send back, but that's very easy to extend. There is a stylist note in here along with an oh hello card that has the styling note, and it has ideas for different styles, and then also my invoice. I'll save that for the end so that the prices don't influence my opinions of the clothes. It definitely influences what I keep, but I could actually be jaded in one direction or another based on the price of the clothing. Let's start out with the shoes. These are supposed to be a pair of flats. They looked pretty cute online. Let's see if they're, oh yes, ballet flats are really gonna be big this fall. And isn't that cute? Almost a Mary Jane style with that strap. I thought these were adorable, and I was really happy to see them in my preview so that I could try them out. And now for our bundle. Oh, something else is at the bottom. Our bundle's only gonna have 3 items. Oh, it's a little, like a little wallet, clutch. What do they call these? That's interesting. I wonder if I put that on my wish list, because I've never had them send me anything like that before. So then our bundle looks like it's down to a cardigan, a pair of jeans, and perhaps a black top. So my stylist, I've had the same one. I'm trying to recall her name the past few times. I'm hoping I kept her. She's actually done a pretty good job. Let's just look at those 3 items, and then looks like we might be able to do a rather quick try on this time. We're starting off with a nice long cardigan. Love me some cardigans. Now this is more a car coat type length. I don't think, no, it's not going to be really long. It's a car coat type length. Really nice, substantial feeling fabric. A giant sort of plaid print here. We have buttons down the front, tortoiseshell buttons. Looks like it has a pretty good return or section underneath to help keep you warm once it's buttoned up. And I even like the reverse knit pattern on the other side. That's numero uno. Let's see what the top is. And I did say I needed jeans. So I know I requested jeans. This is by, I can't read the name with my glasses off. We'll look at it at the end. Oh, this is cute. This is a little black t-shirt, you can see, and it has like a large dotted Swiss. I believe they call these clip dots when they're real big on the little puff sleeve. That's adorable. And lastly, we have a pair of studio blue jeans, sustainable it says. Looks like we have full length, nice dark, not distressed at all, little tiny bit of fading and maybe some slight whiskering there in the front. Oh, there is a little bit of distressing, but it's not holes. It's just light distressing along that front pocket and then at the top of the back pockets too. Alrighty, those are our 5 items. I'll be back in just a minute and we'll do a quick try on. I do have the same stylist. Their name is Ray, and I don't know if Ray is a female or a male. That could go either way. It used to be only a guy name, but now with Raynell and Rayanne and Ray, you're doing a good job. I don't know if Ray watches my channel, but you're doing a great job. And I am a little afraid to say this because every time I do, I lose my stylist, but I hope I can hang on to Ray because I'm really tickled with the way that this fix is coming down. All right, we're going to be able to get through this quick because we're going to get it all in one big fell swoop. First off, this cute little bag. I love this. I think I showed it to you on the intro. Very simple styling with the snakeskin type print. It is a crossbody. I love a crossbody. I currently have a very small crossbody, very similar in size to this, that I just keep my essentials in, and I love that thing. It's not big, it's not heavy, and I'm not lugging around a bunch of stuff I don't need. And I'm hands-free all the time. Absolutely love that. Mine is a bone color, and I could use something that would work better moving forward into fall. This is that burgundy or eggplant type shade, and that's supposed to be one of the colors that's coming up in fall. The inside has a contrast lining and like a white polka dot, and it has a zipper portion for keeping money. I can't unzip it for you because it's hooked onto to this strap, and then two side pockets. The only thing I wish was different was I do wish that there was, oh, there's a place to put credit cards. I don't know if you can see here on the side, it just blended in so well. But I like to carry, you know, my driver's license, my military ID, and then my debit and credit cards. This would be perfect. And they have those on both sides. Ooh, there's lots of little slots. It's just that it blended in with the lining. So depending on the price of this, I think this is probably going to stay. With Stitch Fix, by the way, if you keep all 5 pieces, you save 25%. And I think I'm liking all 5 of these. This might be another 5 for 5, my second ever. Isn't that exciting? Okay, now let's talk about the little puff sleeve top. Ray said that this is something that can be dressed up or down. That is very true. I actually have a top almost identical to this in hot pink by CC that I got from a trunk club a couple of years ago before they shut down. I love that top, and I think I would enjoy this one equally as much. What's not to like? Cute little sleeves, nice little detailing, really good fit. Here's the back. It's soft, it's comfortable. I'll be interested to see the brand when we talk about prices at the end. And then we've got a pair of jeans here. The fit on this is perfection on me. Look, no gappy at the waist right off from the start. I love these jeans. I recently went through my jeans, got rid of several that were just not in style anymore, I wasn't wearing. So I could actually use a refresh on my jeans. I had mentioned that, and I think these are a really great find. And now for these, oh, by the way, they're like a boot cut, I think, ish. They're like between well, maybe they're like a mini boot. Maybe that's what the cut is called. And then these little shoes, I love these too. Now, I probably wouldn't wear these with this outfit. Maybe I would. They're comfortable. They're by Mia. Every time I see the word Mia, M-I-A, I've said this once before, I think of Missing in Action. Missing in Action brand. I'm former military, and I've got a lot of sympathy for POWs and that type, so that brand always makes me think in Missing in Action, and usually elicits a prayer from me for those who are missing in action. So there's another one of my rabbit trails, but the shoes are super cute. I'm loving that kind of zebra type look to the little cross piece over the top of my foot. I think I showed you before, but we'll just go ahead and give you a good look at it again. I like these, and I like that little pointy toe. Ballet flats of all styles are coming in for fall. So I think this is a win if I can get my foot in there right. There we go. How cute. And then last up, we have this cardigan. Now, I thought it would have a good return on the buttons, except it's not the kind of cardigan that you button. It just hangs open, but it hangs open correctly on me. Sometimes these styles, especially when they're longer, they will just look goofy. They'll like try to separate at the hips or something, but I think this is okay. It's nice and warm. It's pretty soft. It doesn't have an itchy feel, always a bonus. It's a substantial weight without being super, super heavy. We've got the pockets in the front. I love this notched collar. Just some nice style to this. And again, it's kind of almost a car coat length, maybe a little bit longer than a typical car coat length. Here it is from the back. I do have one gray long cardigan. It's a gray plaid. It's not the quality that this one is, and I think it has a hood off the back, and I prefer to not have a hood. So this would be a great addition to my wardrobe too. All right, you ready to talk some prices? Let's get to that. Alrighty, let's take a look at prices. Of all of the items in here, the only one I think I don't want the most is this. I like all the pieces, but this is the one I would probably, if I had to send one back, I would. But with that buy all discount of 25%, I can almost guarantee you it would be cheaper for me to buy all 5 items with the 25% off rather than to buy the other 4 without the discount. So let's see. I don't have to have all 4. The one item I really do want to keep if the price is right is this clutch. I would use that every single day this winter. I would get the most use out of it. But let's see what we got here. So first of all, we have the Mia Madeline flat in black, size 11. These are $54.95. I was pretty sure the price was right around $55 because I remember it from when I liked it in freestyle. That's the one item I decided to keep off of my preview, by the way. The Kennedy puff sleeve top by Beacon is black, size medium, $38. Great price on this. For one of these boxes, this is awesome. The 41 Hawthorne Gabby clutch, that's the little clutch, in purple is $44. Great price. Keeping that because I don't want to have to go to the store and try and hunt something down for less. It's just better for me to keep it. The pink clover Haley double pocket coat something, probably coatigan. That's what they call these cardigans that are heavy like a coat. It is in gray, size medium, $58. I like this. I would wear it a lot also. And then the Studio Blue Imogen mid-rise bootcut jean in indigo, size 1268. I love these jeans. I'm going to get a look at the footage just to make sure they look as good as they felt. They might be a little tight. Sometimes that happens to me, but overall, I think I'm liking that. I'm liking everything. Ray, you did a good job. Knock it off. It makes it hard to save money. Alrighty. So the stylist pick subtotal is $262.95. The buy all discounts 25%. That's $65.74 off. The order subtotal is $197.21. Now I don't get a $20 styling fee credited back to me. So if you paid that, that would also be taken off of that. I have the Style Pass. People talk about that all the time. After a while, they would offer you the Style Pass. You pay $50 a year, basically. That still credits back towards anything you keep, and you get unlimited fixes for that year with no styling fee. But my understanding is they're doing away with that. Carolyn at Carolyn and Her Clothes broke that sad news. She said if you're profitable, they'll probably let you keep it. I don't know where she gets all this information. Carolyn, tell us down below where you get all this information. But yeah, I hope they keep me. I don't know if I'm profitable, but I like Stitch Fix and I'm able to bring it to you guys more often because of the Style Pass. But anyway, also, since this box shipped, one of my amazing viewers used my referral link. And so I have a $25 credit. Thank you very, very much. I love you for doing that. That will help towards the total also. And that would bring my total down to $172.21. I don't know what to do. I really don't want to spend $172, but if I keep my 3 favorite pieces, which is the jeans at $68 and the shoes at $55 and the clutch at $44, I think I'm probably going to be almost up to $172. I'll do some math and figure it out. You always got to do your Stitch Fix math when you get these fixes. And with that, we're done. Thank you very much for watching my fix. This is faster than normal, isn't it? I really, really appreciate it. I hope you stuck around to the end. Stick around a little bit longer. My husband usually finds some type of blooper. If you could squish that like button for me, it really helps tons. And if you like different types of unboxings, mostly things you wear on your body and reviews, please do consider subscribing. I always consider an honor when someone subscribes. And we will see you on the next video. Bye-bye and be blessed. Yes, the sound is working. Okay, test 1, 2 sound. Works, okay. I can't recall if I put this on if I liked it on my, all right. My stylist is Ray Runce. Okay, let me say that again. This is Ray Runce again. That's a mouthful and a tongue twister all at once. Let me try that one more time. That's a no-brainer, but I still don't want to spend that much. So I don't know what to do. All right, that's it. Don't worry, honey, I'm not going to break us.